Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yeah, so in today's class, first we'll discuss the answers to those 4 questions which we haven't in the last class. And also one other homework. I think Bhavishya can tell me about that. Remember Bhavishya splitting the middle term?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you just, we'll start with that, Bhavishya. Tell me the first question there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me the first one.
We have done already.
Louder.
First 3 questions we have done in the class.
Okay.
P square minus 4p minus 7.
Bhavishya, can you do one thing? Can you just take a picture and send those questions on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do that. Okay. So this is the first one. P squared minus 4p minus 77. X square minus 17x plus 16. Y squared plus 19y plus 16. Z squared plus 12z plus 27. Two squared minus 10q plus 21. All right, yeah. So children, if you can recall Nandana and Bhavishya, we were due to discuss these homework answers. So let's see the first one. Nandana, what is the sum? First one, what's the sum? Swati, what's the sum?
Ma'am,
Minus 4, ma'am.
Okay, what's the product?
Ma'am, minus 77.
Yeah, please find the two numbers that will satisfy the sum in the product. All of you. So if you're not able to recall this homework, start working. Do it now in the class. What are the two numbers?
Ma'am, minus 11 and plus 7.
Minus 11 and plus 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. Minus 11 and plus 7. Minus 77 minus 4. Very good. So it's going to be p square minus 11p plus 7p minus 77. Group the first two terms and the last two terms. P is common, p minus 11. Then this plus as it is, 7 common, p minus 11. So p minus 11 into p plus 7. These are the two factors of the given expression. Take down. If you can find this homework, check your answer. If you can't find it, work it now in the class.
Ma'am, I have done different method, ma'am.
Bhavishya, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
You have written plus 7p first and then minus 11p, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the difference, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so see here, Bhavishya. P square plus 7p minus 11p minus 77. So when you group p common, p plus 7, then this minus as it is minus 11 common, minus 11 into p is minus 11p, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, 11 sevens are 77. So p plus 7 into p minus 11. Did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Done, children?
Done, ma'am.
All right. Yeah. For the second one, what's the sum?
Ma'am, minus 17. Minus 17.
Minus 17. And what's the product?
Plus 16, ma'am.
Yeah. What are the two numbers?
Minus 1 and ma'am, minus 1 and minus 16.
Minus 1 and minus 16. Very good. I think I heard it from Bhavishya also. Very good. Minus 1 and minus 16. Or minus 16 and minus 1. Any order. Minus 1 and minus 16. Because when you multiply these two numbers, you will get plus 16. Minus into minus plus, 16 ones are 16. And the sum of these two numbers is minus 17. So Bhavishya, which one you've written first? Minus 1x or minus 16x?
Minus 16x, ma'am.
Okay. Then you can write minus 1x as simply x also. So group the first two terms, last two terms. X is common, x minus 16. Then this minus will come down as it is. X and 16, there's nothing common. That means 1. Should take out 1. You should write a number here. If there's nothing common, that means 1 is common. 1. 1 into x is x. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 16 is 16. Minus 1 into x minus x. Minus into minus plus 1 into 16 is 16. So x minus 16 into x minus 1. Or you can also write it as x minus 1 into x minus 16. Like 15 is what? 5 into 3. Or you can also write it as, sorry, you can also write it as 3 into 5. Both are the same. So like that, x minus 16 into x minus 1 or x minus 1 into x minus 16. Any order. Nandana, what is the sum?
And the sum is 19. And the
What's the
product is 60, ma'am.
Yeah, Nandana, tell me the
And
two
the
numbers.
required number is 30 and 20.
30, yeah?
No, ma'am. 20 and
20 and
30. 20 and 3.
how will 20 and 3 give you 19?
No, it becomes 17.
Work and tell me. No hurry, you tell me. I don't want it from Swati or Bhavishya. Nandana will tell us. You found it, Swati, Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am. Found, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. What about Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nandana, what's the trouble, Nandana? Did you do this, Nandana? 60, 2 30 times, 2 15 times, 3 5s. Did you do this? Where are you?
I'm doing 1 minute, ma'am.
Oh, this method will give you easily, you know. Now, so 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. No, it doesn't need this
12 plus 12 plus 5 plus 12 plus 5.
Okay, darling, but 12 and 5 will not give you 19. You should get 19 and 16. Yes, Nandana. So see, you have to make use of all these numbers and make different combinations. So supposing you have two separately, listen to me, and you take all these numbers together. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 and 2 will give you 32 or 28. So not possible. Now say we take these two numbers and these two numbers. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15. 15 and 4 will give you 19. So the two numbers are 4 and 15. See, you take any other combination. Supposing you do 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 5. You will get product 16, but this will give you only 17, not 19. So the two numbers are 4 and 15. See, from these numbers, you can make out very easily. 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 5 is 15. 15 and 4 are the two numbers. Tell me the signs. Nandana, science?
Plus 15 plus 4.
Yeah, then tell me the next step. Y
Ma'am,
square.
y squared plus 4y plus 4 bracket p plus
Y square plus 4y plus?
y plus
Why, Nandana? What happened? How are you splitting the middle term? Using 15 and 4, right? So 4y plus 15y.
okay, ma'am.
Then, okay, I understand the problem. You are following your teacher's method. You're writing the two factors directly. So you did not pay attention to these steps. Yes or no, Nandana?
Yes.
Because your teacher, from the required numbers, she's found the factors straight away. So you're not giving importance to this step. Okay. All right, fine. Okay, Swati, tell me what's the next step?
Ma'am, the next step is we find the common factor for y square plus 4y, ma'am. We get y as, we take y out common, ma'am. And in the brackets, we get y plus 4, ma'am. Ma'am, and then addition follows, ma'am, plus. And then we take the common factor for 15y and 16, ma'am. That's 15. And in the bracket, we get y plus 4, ma'am.
Very good. Next.
Ma'am, we take y plus 4 as common, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, and then we take the other numbers, that's y plus 15, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. Okay, Nandana. As your teacher said, you got these two factors, y plus 4 and y plus 15. You understand that, right?
No, ma'am, I'll try this method. And the next time I'm doing it, ma'am. I'll try, ma'am.
Okay. The recordings are also there. You can go through the recordings. Yeah. Yeah. Please check, children.
Yes, ma'am, then I got the answer.
Okay, very good. Next one. So what's the sum here?
Ma'am, 12.
Product.
27, ma'am.
Required numbers.
Ma'am, 9 and 3.
9 and 3. Or 3 and 9, whatever. So z square. Bhavishya, quickly. Z square plus?
3z.
Yeah.
Plus 9z, ma'am. Plus 27.
Next.
Ma'am, z as common.
Yeah.
And z plus 9, ma'am.
Z plus 3.
Yes, ma'am, z plus 3.
Plus, what's common?
Z, 3, ma'am.
9 and 27, what's common?
Ma'am, z plus 9.
9 is common, ma'am.
9, z plus 3.
Z plus 3. Then?
Z plus
Z
3,
plus 9.
z plus 9.
Very good. Very good. Next one. What is the sum?
Minus 10, ma'am.
Product?
21, ma'am. 21.
Yeah. Yeah, the required numbers?
Minus 3 and minus 7.
Minus 3 and minus 7.
Minus
Very good. Minus 3, minus 7. Very good. So, next step?
Q square minus 7 square.
Q square minus?
7 square, ma'am.
7 square.
Ma'am, 3q.
Minus 7, ma'am. 7q. 3q.
3q.
Minus 7. Minus 7q. Plus 21, ma'am. Q as common.
Yeah.
Ma'am, and Q minus 3
Q minus 7.
minus. Ma'am, 7 is common. Ma'am, Q plus 3.
Not plus, you're going wrong here most of the times, Swati.
Minus 1 Q minus 3.
Okay, I don't. Who said who said plus?
It's me starting.
No, ma, see here. Minus multiply minus 7 into Q is minus 7Q. Then you should get plus 21. Minus 7 into what will give you plus 21?
Minus 3, ma'am.
Minus 3. See, when you multiply minus 7 with the terms inside the bracket, you must get minus 7Q and plus 21. So you have taken minus 7 common. The third term is minus 7Q. Minus 7 into what will give us minus 7Q? Q. So that's what we have written here, Q. Then the same thing, minus 7 into what will give us plus 21. See, you should get plus 21. That's minus 3. Clear, Swati?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then next step.
And Q minus 3 is common.
Yeah. Into?
Into Q minus 7, ma'am.
Very good. Bhavishya,
Ma'am,
any questions? You have completed the homework. Are your answers matching, or you have any questions, any doubts?
No doubts.
Okay. Remember volumes and surface area, children? If I give you a small test on that, will you be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Go through that. Wednesday, being Vijayadashmi, we will not have a class that day. That is your next class on Wednesday. We will not have on account of the festival. So the next class on Friday, we'll also revise, mensuration. Very important chapter. Very, very important. So we'll revise that. Please go through. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you must be sure about the formula, children. That is very important. Be thorough with the formulae we have used in the chapter. All the formulae we've used in the chapter. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yes.
ma'am, I did the prime factorization of 42, ma'am.
Nandana, prime factorization?
Of 42, ma'am.
Huh.
I got 2, 3, and 7, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 minute. 42. 2, 21, 3 sevens, 7 ones. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
first I did like 7 and 3 and 2. It will like 21 into 2, ma'am. I
Correct.
get 42, but. Yes, ma'am. 21 plus 2. Required numbers for this. 21
No,
plus 2,
product.
ma'am.
No, you're right, Nandana, actually. You're right.
Minus 21 and minus 2.
Minus 21 and minus 2.
No, Nandana was telling something. Nandana, we'll go back to her.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I told that only. 21 and 2.
No, you said
Required
21 and 2.
Yes, ma'am. It's minus 21 and minus 2.
Why not 21 and 2? Why can't we take 21 and 2, Nandana? Because you will not get the sum as minus 23, right? 21 and 2 will give you only 23. You should get minus 23. So when you take minus 21 and minus 2, you will get minus 23 and minus 21 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 42. So required numbers are minus 21 and minus 2. Any order you can write minus 2, minus 21, any order. So then next step.
Ma'am, x square minus 21x. 21x minus 2x plus 42.
Then
And then x as common.
Common.
In the brackets, we write x minus 21. And minus 2 as common. In the brackets, we write x minus 21, ma'am. And x minus 21 as common, and then we write x minus 2.
is your answer right, Bhavishya? Since you have done the homework, I'm asking you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Bhavishya, tell us the last one.
Sum minus 6, ma'am.
Okay. Check the volume in your speaker because it used to be good. Now off late, I'm not able to hear clearly. I know you're talking, but it's not clear. Just check the volume on your speaker. Maybe you've reduced the volume.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What's the sum?
Ma'am, I'm not using headphones now, ma'am. So the volume is slow, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. Now it's clear. See, now I can, it's clear and meaning very audible.
Okay, ma'am.
So you're using the headphone now, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think this is better. Yeah. Yes, Bhavishya, tell me.
Sum is minus 6, ma'am. Product minus 135, ma'am.
Oh, just 135, is it? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
sorry. Okay, yeah. What are the two numbers?
Ma'am, minus 15 and 9.
Minus 15 and 9. Very good. Correct. Minus 15 and 9. Perfect. Then?
Y square plus 9y. Minus 15y minus 135, ma'am.
Okay.
Y as common. Y plus 9, ma'am. Minus 15 as common, ma'am. Y plus 9.
Very good.
Y plus 9, y minus 15, ma'am.
Very good. All right. Just wait for a minute if you have to write down something.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, now I want Bhavishya last classes first 4 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, children. I'm just texting. Yeah, sorry, children. Yes. Last class, the first 4 questions. Yeah, please read out. Remember, together we
Yes,
did
ma'am.
8 sums on factorization.
Yes,
And then
ma'am.
I gave you similar questions to do on your own. So there, I think we discussed the last 4. The first 4 we did not discuss. I want those questions.
Ma'am, shall I read it?
Yeah, please, Swati.
Ma'am, a square b square
Yeah.
minus 6abc
Okay.
plus 9c square, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So first, we mostly write down the given expression first. And after that, the first and the last terms, they are perfect squares. And the signs also, we can see, only the middle term is minus. The other terms are positive. Only the middle term is negative. So let's try x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. We'll see if it's of the form x squared plus x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. If it is of this form, then the answer is x minus y the whole square. So what in the bracket?
AB, ma'am.
Here?
3c, ma'am.
Yeah, here.
AB into 3c, ma'am.
Are we getting the middle term?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what's the identity? X squared minus 2xy plus y square is equal to x minus
X
y
minus
the whole
y the
square.
whole square.
And here x is
AB, ma'am.
and y is
3c, ma'am.
very good. So what's the answer?
AB minus 3c the whole square, ma'am.
AB minus 3c the whole square, which should be written as AB minus 3c into AB minus 3c. Just write it 2 times because it is whole square. AB minus 3c the whole square. So AB minus 3c into AB minus 3c. Very good. See if you've all got this.
Yes, ma'am. Got the same answer.
All of you, Nandana, Bhavishya.
Yes, one go.
All right.
Ma'am, I'm having doubt in second sum.
Okay, Bhavishya. Then tell me the question.
Ma'am, 27y square minus 36z.
36.
Z raised to the power 4, ma'am.
Okay.
363, ma'am.
Ma'am, 36, ma'am.
Tell me again. Swati.
Ma'am, 27y square minus 36.
Okay.
363. Ma'am, you wrote 363 z power 4, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 363 y power 4.
Somebody tell me, no, what is it? What it is?
Ma'am, I took 363 y power 4.
Z power 4 or Y power 4?
Y power 4, ma'am. Ma'am, Z power 4.
Z power 4, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah. What's the first step?
Ma'am, 27 and 363 can be written into cubes.
No.
Ma'am, we can find the common factor.
Swati, what have you done in your book?
Ma'am, I found the common factor, ma'am.
But you didn't say that now. Yeah, that's correct. So, Bhavisha, remember, whenever there is some, now this expression has two terms. Now, if these two terms have something in common, we have to first bring out that common factor. That is the first step in factorization. If the terms of the expression have something in common, one is always common other than one. If the terms have something other than one in common, you must take out the common factor. And the common factor should be the highest common factor, not any common factor. You must bring out the HCF. What's the HCF?
Ma'am, I'm getting 3.
3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 27 and 363. How do you find the HCF? Do you all know the method to find the HCF?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What do we do?
And we
27.
factorize it.
Yeah. So 3 9s are 3 121 times. Then again 3 3s are 3. Oh, sorry. Not divisible. So you should divide both the numbers by the same number. 27 and 363. 3 9s are 3 121 times. Now for HCF, both the numbers should be divisible by the same number. Now 9 is divisible by 3, but 121 is not divisible by 3. You must divide both the numbers by the same number to find the HCF. Now these two numbers are not further divisible by the same number, by the same prime number. These two numbers are not further divisible by the same prime number. So that means 3 is the HCF. So 3 out. Then 9y square minus
121 Z square, Z power 4, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Then after this, yeah,
Ma'am, we can write it in, ma'am, since 9 and 121 are perfect square, we write it in their form.
okay, very good. So use square brackets, and inside that x square minus y square. Okay, so what inside the bracket?
3y, ma'am.
And here
11 Z square, ma'am.
z square. So clearly this expression in the bracket is of the form a square minus b square, which can be factorized as a plus b into a minus b. 9y square minus 121 z to the power 4 looks like a square minus b square. See there, 3y the whole square, a square minus 11z square the whole square, b square. So the identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, wherein a is 3y and what is b?
11 Z square, ma'am.
Yeah, 11z square. So continue, 3 into a square minus b square is a plus b. So a, this is a plus b.
11 Z square.
Yeah, into a minus b. This is a minus b. That's all. If anyone doesn't understand, I can work it again. Please ask me. If you have not worked this, please work it now in your notebook. We'll do it again if you don't understand. Please tell me.
Understood, ma'am.
Very good. Sure, Bhavishya? Okay. Yeah, the third one, children.
Ma'am, 36 C square.
36?
C square. Minus. Ma'am, in the brackets, A plus 5B. The whole square, ma'am.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, children. Yeah. So let's write the given expression. Yeah. Now this is already like b square. A plus 5b, the whole square is already like, say, y square. So what do you do with the 36 c square?
6.
And we write it in perfect square.
Yeah.
6C the whole square, ma'am.
Minus, should we expand
plus
this? A
5b.
plus 5b the whole square?
Ma'am, we should write as it is, ma'am.
Yeah. Next.
X is 6c, ma'am.
Yeah. Identity is?
A square minus B square, ma'am.
B square.
Okay. Since
Or
there's
X
already
square
a and b here, I'll just write x square.
minus Y square.
Yeah, because there's already a b here. Identity is x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y, wherein x is 6c and y is a plus 5b. All right, so what's the answer now?
6c plus.
Ma'am, in
Ma'am,
square brackets, we write it.
Yeah.
6c plus
6C plus A plus 5B, ma'am.
Like this, right? A plus b
Yes,
into a minus b, like this. So x plus,
5B, ma'am.
yeah,
And 6C,
C.
A minus 5B, ma'am.
A
no,
minus
no,
5b.
no. Why a minus 5b?
I'm distributing the minus sign.
Now I have put a bracket, no, so you cannot distribute the minus sign now, correct? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 6c plus a plus 5b. Now distribute the sign. 6c
6C
minus a.
minus A minus 5B, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. What doubt do you have, children?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, Swati, no doubts. Please ask me, children. Bhavishya, Nandana, anywhere it's not clear, I'll repeat.
No doubt, ma'am. No doubts, ma'am.
Okay. All right. One more. Yeah. What's the fourth one?
Ma'am, 25A square
Yeah.
minus 9B square
Okay.
minus 16C square
Okay.
minus 24BC, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Yes, Nandana. Have you done this? Bhavishya, have you done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Read out your answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, with square bracket 5. Ma'am, with square bracket 5a is the whole square.
In square bracket 5.
A the whole square, ma'am.
Why is square bracket for that? Simple bracket will do, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 5A.
5A the whole.
Wait 1 minute. 1 second. Bhavishya will tell us. 5A the whole square.
Minus 3B the whole square.
Okay. Then.
Minus 3B the whole square, ma'am.
Yeah. After that.
Plus 4C the whole square, ma'am.
How you got plus 4C the whole square?
Sorry, ma'am. Minus 4C the whole square.
Okay. Then.
Minus 24BC as it is, ma'am.
Okay. Then after that.
Ma'am, 5A minus 4C minus 24BC. And by identity x square minus y square, x plus y, x minus y, ma'am.
No. It's not like that. No. Okay. Let me pass this to Nandana. Yes, Nandana, what do you want to say? Swati?
Ma'am,
Shall I?
Yeah.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. We can separate 25A square and minus 9B square as 1 and minus 16C square minus 24BC as 1, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, here we need, since 25 and 9 are perfect square, we write them as in square brackets, ma'am, like 5A.
Oh, so you're grouping these two, is it?
Yes, ma'am, these two and the minus 16 and those.
What did you get finally?
Ma'am, I'm getting minus 4C the whole square minus 24BC, ma'am.
Okay, share your answer later on WhatsApp, Swati. It's not like that. Bhavishya was right, but she did one mistake. What about Nandana? Do you want to share your answer?
Ma'am, I'm getting as 5A plus 3B into minus 4C plus 24BC, ma'am, the whole square.
No. Take a picture and send it to me. Let me check. So children, see here, you can, how many perfect squares are here? You can see 3 perfect squares. 25A square, 9B square, 16C square. There are 3 perfect squares. There are 3 perfect squares. And then look at this term, 24BC. That's not a perfect square. That's not a perfect square. But it has BC in it. It has B and C. That means this from this B square and C square, this BC it has. That means we'll have to group the last 3 terms. Why the last 3 terms is because there are 3 perfect squares. And if you look at the 4th term, it has BC in it. So BC is from B square and C square. So we'll group the last 3 terms, this B square, C square and BC. For that, what you should do is write 25A square, this minus sign as it is, open and close a bracket and write 9B square plus 16C square plus 24BC. Because we have taken minus outside. So when you multiply minus with 9B square, you'll get minus 9B square. Minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. Do we all understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write this as 5A the whole square minus here. What will happen is
3B.
Yeah.
3B minus 4C whole square.
Not minus, 1 minute. So you get
Plus.
Now what should I write here, children? Tell me. 2 into
3B into 4C.
4C, ma'am.
Are we getting 24BC?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we are getting. So it's of the form x square plus y square plus 2xy. So what's the answer?
3B minus 4C the whole square, ma'am.
Minus 4c or plus 4c?
Plus 4C the whole square.
Plus 4c because it's plus 2ab. It's plus 2ab. So it'll be plus 4c the whole square. Now this looks like what? A square minus b square.
Minus B square.
or x square minus y square? What is x?
5a, ma'am. 5a, ma'am.
What's y?
3b plus 4c, ma'am.
3x
So x plus y into x minus y. So what should I write here?
5a. 5a, ma'am. 3b plus 4c, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, 5a and 3b plus 4c, ma'am.
Okay.
And we remove the square bracket and write 5a plus 3b plus 4c and 5a minus 3b minus 4c, ma'am.
Very good. This is the answer. This is the answer. You can see factorize means the final answer should be a product of the factors. So the two factors of the given expression are 5a plus 3b plus 4c and 5a minus 3b minus 4c. These are the two factors of the given expression. And when the heading is factorized, the answer should be a product of the factors. You can clearly see that the final answer is a product of the factors.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Very good.
Understood, ma'am.
All right. So these were the questions, pending to be discussed. Last class's 4 questions, what we just discussed, and that homework that was given long back, but I just forgot to discuss the answers. All right, now I'm going to give you some questions from volumes and surface area, children. Let me see how much you remember. What kind of questions you want? You want easy, medium, difficult? Okay, one easy, one medium, one difficult. Let me do that. So the first one is easy. Second one, moderate. Third, difficult. Not difficult meaning challenging. Nothing is difficult, challenging. Yeah, so this is your first question. Don't wait for the 3 questions. You can see the first one on the screen, start working. Okay, children, so these are the 3 questions. Please try. I'll just come back in 15 minutes. I think 15 minutes should do, or maybe 20 minutes, but I'll get back in 15 minutes. Please complete these answers. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
after taking the question, can I leave the class, ma'am? I want to go out.
Oh, okay, Bhavishya. Fine, fine. Thanks for informing. All right, darling. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, I had said the class will be till 9:15 today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can actually at that point I had some work when I texted. So I thought I can take the class only till 9:15, but now I'm free. I can go on till the regular time 9:45 if Nandana and Swati are available. Yes, Nandana and Swati, tell me. We'll see these answers in the next class, or you'll work now and we'll discuss the answers. What shall we do? What happened? Swati and Nandana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, anything is fine, ma'am.
Yeah, then you work.
Ma'am,
Then
can I
work.
leave the
Yeah.
class?
Yes, Bhavishya, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, Swati and Nandana, then yeah, please work. We'll discuss the answers. I'll come back in 15 minutes. I think that time is enough for you to finish. Otherwise,
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
discuss whatever you're finished. Yeah. Yeah, please work. Yes, girls, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Very good. Okay, let me come from the third one. Maybe if you have not done the third one, you can get the answer also. So let me work from the third one. So it's about a cylinder, the radius and height, they are in the ratio 5:7. So let the radius be equal to 5x. What is the unit there? Centimeter. Centimeter. And let the height be 7x centimeters. Okay. And what is given? Radius and height are in the ratio 5:7. So 5x, 7x. Volume is 550 centimeters square. So with this information, we have to find the radius and height of the cylinder. So volume of cylinder is given to be 550 centimeters square. Since it's already time, children, I'll just give the answer. See if you have the same steps with you. Volume of the cylinder is equal to 550 centimeters square. Now, what is the formula to find the volume? Pi r square h, correct? Is equal to 550. Yeah, is equal to 550. Pi r square h is equal to 550. The value of pi is 22/7 into r square. So 5x the whole square into h, 7x, is equal to 550. So 22/7 into 5x, because r square, r is 5x. R square means 5x into 5x. 5x the whole square. See, what is r square? R square means r into r. What is r? 5x. So 5x into 5x it is. Or 5x the whole square. It's not 5x square. This is wrong. It's not 5x square. R square means r into r. 5x into 5x. 25x square you will get now. Into 7x is equal to 550. Then you can cancel 7. The numerator and the denominator is 7 and 7. So we are left with 22 into 25 into x square into x is equal to 550. Now x square into x is x cubed is equal to 550 divided by 22 into 25. See, we cancelled 7 and 7, and these are the remaining numbers 22, 25, x square and x. So 22 and 25, they come to the other side for division. X square into x is x cubed. So x cubed is equal to, when you simplify, 25 ones are 25, 20s are 500. So this will be 25, 21, 22 times. 22 times. 22 and 22 gets cancelled. So x cube is equal to 1. X is equal to the cube root of 1. X is equal to 1. X is 1. So now we have to find the radius and height. Radius is equal to 5x. That means 5 into 1, 5 centimeters. And height is equal to 7x. That is 7 into 1 or 7 centimeters. If you understood and have not completed, just take a picture, children. It's getting late for you also. Take a picture,
Done,
you can write it later.
I got the same answer, ma'am.
Very good. Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. The next one is, the second one is, how many soap cakes, the dimensions are given, can be placed in a box of size? Again, the dimensions are given. So,
You did it by L into B into H. First one.
yeah.
An area of the box by area of one cupcake.
And so, not area. It's not area. It's the
Volume, ma'am.
volume. It's not the area, it's the volume.
Of the soap.
Number of soaps. Soap cakes, okay. Number of soap cakes is equal to volume of the box volume of the bigger thing, volume of the box by volume of one soap cake. One soap cake. So volume of the box, both are rectangular. From the dimensions, you can make out that both are rectangular or cuboidal, sorry. Okay, from the dimensions, you can make out that both are cuboidal because you're given L, B, and H. You're given 3 values for both. So length, breadth, and height. So the volume is equal to the volume of a cuboid, L into B into H. L into B into H divided by L into B into H. Now we have to check if all the dimensions are in the same unit. Centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Yeah, everywhere it is centimeter. Everywhere it is centimeter. So no problem with the units. Now, LBH is 56, 40, 25. 56, 40, 25. Divided by 7, 5, 2.5. L is 7, B is 5.
5 into 2.5.
Yeah, 5 into 2.5. So basically,
Ma'am, we
children,
get 56,000
by
by
87.5.
87.5.
okay. 7 ones are 7 eights are
8.
5 ones are 5 eights are 2.5 ones are 2.5 tens are 2.5 into 10 is 25. So it will be 8 into 8 into 10. That is 8 is a 64, 640.
640, ma'am.
640.
Soap cakes
Or if
will
you
be
got
there.
this,
Yes, ma'am.
you can place 640 soap cakes in the box.
Yeah.
640 soap cakes can be placed in the box. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. First one.
Ma'am, can I do it for the first one?
Yes, sure, Nandana.
Ma'am, for the first one, we should find the surface area of the cube, ma'am. It is 6a square.
See, TSA is equal to 384. Continue with this. What is the TSA of a cube?
Ma'am, 6a square.
Yeah, so 6a square is equal to 384. Next what?
384 and a square is equal to 384 by 6. So we get 8 square root 8.
What is the division? What is 384 by 6?
8. No, ma'am, 64.
64, ma'am.
64, ma'am.
64.
64,
A is equal
then
to
square root of 64, then 8.
8.
Ma'am, then we should find the volume of the cube. So it is a cube, ma'am.
Yeah.
We should place a is equal to 8 means, so we should substitute the value there, 8 cube. So the answer is 512 centimeter cube.
Very good. Volume, no? So centimeter cube.
Got the same answer, ma'am.
Got the same answer? Very good. All right, children. No doubts, children?
No, ma'am, not it.
No, ma'am.
All right, children. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night. Wednesday, we don't have a class. We'll meet on Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good night, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you. Good night.